and welcome to ASRA Media. My name is Esra, and today I will show you how to make Nutella cake. What we need is milk, Nutella, baking powder, a bowl, an egg, flour, and a mixing tool. I will show you how to make it. First, you need Nutella, then you need an egg, when you're done the egg, you have to put 2 tablespoons of baking powder. When you put all the baking powder, you need to put flour. After you're done with the flour, now you need the milk. Now it's better to mix. When you mixed it good and it's not lumpy, you have to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Now it's ready. I took it out of the microwave after 5 minutes. Now I put it on the plate and I'm gonna put some sprinkles. You can put them if you want. It looks nice. Thanks for watching ASRA Media. Please like and subscribe and share my channel with your friends and family. Bye!